Hello, we're gonna make an emoji, your own emoji in Scratch. It can move around when you click on it. Okay, let's get into the video. First, you need to name your sprite emoji, and then you can go to costumes, up here, left top corner. Then you delete this costume, the second one, right here. You delete it, click the little trash icon. Now, you can get rid of Scratch Cat and just click delete or delete on your keyboard. Okay, now time to make the emoji. Go to circle, then go to fill, and then select the color you want the emoji to be. I'm gonna make my emoji a yellow because that's just like a normal emoji. So now let's make the circle, and you have to select it to make it a certain size. And now that you have the circle, place it in the middle. Then you can either use this, select color, I'm gonna use this. So now you can make a face. I'm gonna make a little smiley face. This is my little smiley face. Now that we have our emoji, we can go back to here. And now we're going to make the little thing that you need to make for, and also make sure this. But we're going to make the little system that makes it move around when you put your cursor in click. Okay. Now that we have our emoji, we're going to start creating the little system. Okay. Now you go to events and you find the when flag clicked, and then we scroll down to if then. You see this? Under the control section. Okay, then we click mouse down. So now it knows if your mouse is clicked. Then now we need to make it do something. So let's make it glide to mouse pointer. But this only, so you turn it on and now it won't work really. So you need to go to forever and add forever to it. So now when you click the thing, it just glides to your mouse pointer, which is really cool. And you make so many emojis. Like you could duplicate it and add a new little thing. Like you can make it like add little hair to it. So like that. Now both of them follow you. They're best buds. Oh, and they become one. But that's fine. Now save your project and go enjoy it. So then you can now just enjoy your little emoji. Okay, thank you.